Hi guys, welcome to my channel. 2 minus 8 will give us minus 6 times 8 minus 2 will give us 6. 6 times minus 6 will give us minus 36. But this answer is not correct. According to order of operation, you have to first of all solve the bracket, followed by division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So let's go. So 2 minus 8 will give us minus 6. Remember there's multiplication here. Whenever there is the parenthesis close to the number is multiply, you have to multiply. So times 2 minus. Now, remember multiplication comes before subtraction. So let's multiply. Minus 2 times minus 8 will give us plus 12. Minus 2 times minus 6, will give us plus 12 and 8. 8 plus 12 will give us what? 20. This is our final answer. So our final answer is what? 20.